My name is Monagle, from Derry. I'll be standing in the Shantallow ward. I'm a long-term Republican social activist. I've been involved in the struggle since I was 15 years of age. I've served two prison sentences. As soon as I've been released from prison in 2000, I have put all my energies into building the Irish Republican Socialist Party here in Derry, and also forging links and working hard within the community. The shift came about over long and hard discussions and debate within the movement. That it was realised that the armed struggle was a cul-de-sac, and was a cul-de-sac for both working class communities. And if we were serious about national liberation, which means a liberation of the whole country and our class, that we have to unite with the loyalist working class parties and working class as well. And in the absence of violence, we find that the space is there to do that. Well, the main issues at the minute are health, education, proper facilities, working class areas, the marginalisation of working class youth. Well, the main issue here in Derry at the minute is the lack of the cancer facilities in the Gavin Hospital, and there are also the mental health issues, the care in the community, all the cutbacks associated with that. And we can say firmly here that we will oppose every cut. In actual fact, we think services should be expanded and not cut or not just saved. Well, this year, we're under no illusion. This is a small step, a first small step, hopefully in a long journey to make ourselves relevant, to our communities and to the working class in general, and also to build a profile within those communities, and also to empower communities. We're not here to tell the communities what's better for them. We're here to listen and empower people to do what's best for their community. Well, I have no personal aspirations per se. My aspirations is for the Irish working class and for the IRSP, and if them issues are raised and the class consciousness is raised within these communities, I'll be happy. Well, Derry is an unemployment back spot. We have over 5,500 people unemployed, which equates to over 7% of the population. That in itself creates hopelessness, especially among our young people who in turn turn to drugs and drink as a means of passing their day and time. It's the old thing, Derry is a forgotten city. All investment, major investments are east of the Bann, west of the Bann, particularly in the northwest. We are forgot about, and will continue to be so. We have to realise that in all the wards in the 6 counties, that Derry has the highest population, indeed unemployed population, indeed it's one of the highest unemployment black spots in Europe. And I don't think Stormont is up for that, despite what the parties up there say. But the reality is that they will be implementing these cuts, and they will be creating further unemployment. And I think people should realise that. Like we have to remember, over the past year, the unemployment rate in Derry has risen by over 8%.
On the 5th of May, you have a historic opportunity to vote for Republican Socialists. Vote IRSP number 1.